The Sonadiya Island falls under Maheshkhali Upazila of Cox's Bazar district of southeast Bangladesh. Blessed with several natural features like a mangrove forest, the site of birds, endangered species, red crabs, turtles, Sonadiya Eco-Tourism Park can offer immense potential to emerge as a leading tourist destination in the world. Founded on the principles of eco-conservation, innovation, sustainability and social inclusion, the main driving pillars of Sonadiya Eco-Tourism Park include an integrated approach of leisure, multi-formatted whole family infotainment and learning. Address the needs of the diverse nature of foreign and domestic tourists having varied preferences, culture, language, age, affordability and purpose and vast expectations. Compliance with responsible and sustainable eco-tourism principles. International benchmarking of facilities and services. An active public-private community partnership model. Community-centric, tourist-friendly policy framework. Skill development and capacity building. Phased implementation, affordability and user-friendly tariff structure. Smart elements, biomimicry and circular economy creation. Well-conceived tourist-centric concepts and strategies are incorporated to position Sonadiya Eco-Tourism Park as a world-class tourism destination while conserving and protecting biodiversity, cultural values and national pride. The configured themes, while leveraging the strengths of the country and destination, enable fetching of increased tourist footfalls into the country. The themes promote environmentally sustainable development and create employment opportunities for local people. Incorporating the learnings and introducing new themes based on the continued feedback approach is an important element for business sustenance. The state-of-the-art, smart, sustainable ecotourism park shall be established in terms of both hard infrastructure and human dimension interventions. Apart from promoting sustainable tourism, Sonadiya Ecotourism Park shall have the privilege of touching the lives of people and community by participating in socially inclusive initiatives. Meticulous efforts are taken to map the existing natural features of the project site and adequate safeguards are incorporated in terms of earmarking the buffer zone, protection of existing features, restricting the building footprint area. Study area boundary 8,967 acres. Mangroves. Turtles nesting, red crab crawling area. Birds roosting ground. Buffer zone. Proposed embankment. Effective planning area 909 acres. The master plan and development plan for Sonadiya Ecotourism Park is conceptualized as a perfect blend of entertainment, education, information and learning, meeting the diverse nature of tourist visitors across age groups, culture with vast and varied expectations. Entrance zone provides a unique experience to the visitors and highly informative for enhancing better stay experience of Sonadiya Ecotourism Park. An all-weather jetty is provided for safe embarking and disembarking of tourists, and a helipad facilitates emergency evacuation. Extensive internal access through walking, e-vehicles and cycling promotes hassle-free pedestrian movements. The viewing deck, seating area, water pool with musical fountains and landscape complement tourist enchantment. Disaster management and emergency response systems are also in place. Heritage and Hospitality Zone is coined to promote the rich and diverse heritage of the country and traditional values. Themed pavilions depict the local heritage with space for artists to exhibit their artistic capability. Arts and Crafts Village of Sonadiya Ecotourism Park with a themed festival zone, statue deck promote the rural and tribal economy and preserve the traditional culture. Another unique feature is the provision of state-of-the-art meeting, incentive, conference and exhibition facilities and convention center for promoting business and MICE tourism. Leveraging the tourism ecosystem, Knowledge Center Zone is a perfect blend of research, education, leisure and entertainment. The state-of-the-art green and energy-efficient buildings with rooftop solar and rooftop garden provide a conducive business environment for knowledge workers, research and innovation activities, promoting a green knowledge-based economy. The activities of Innovation and Research Center would include research on life sciences, alternative and renewable energy, environmental technologies and sustainable business practices, innovative materials and innovative products, built environment and sustainable communities, and International Design Center. Family Entertainment Zone is meticulously conceptualized to engage the whole family across age group and culture. Befitting the ambience, agro-tourism activities with a confluence of natural living and getting back to nature make Sonadhiya Ecotourism Park a memorable experience. An adventure zone focusing on youth and the next generation is configured with a host of themes like an entertainment hub, angling sport fishing, an amusement park with both wet and dry rides, paragliding, parasailing, jet skiing, kiosk, gazebo, food courts, river deck, riverboat jetty and other facilities enhance the stay experience. Eco-Science Zone is another unique feature of Sonadhiya Ecotourism Park for providing a conducive platform for learning science through nature examples and biomimicry. Creation of the 5th generation Oceanarium with contemporary facilities and themes with state-of-art infrastructure, marine biology research centers to support R&D requirements of the Oceanarium will position Sonadhiya Ecotourism Park as a preferred tourism destination. Apart from promoting sustainable marine tourism, the initiative is poised to augment maritime education and preservation of the marine environment. The initiative is well positioned to achieve safe, climate resilient and prosperous Sonadhiya ecotourism while promoting knowledge, innovation-based green and blue economy. With an investment outlay spread over the next 30 years, the Sonadhiya Ecotourism Park shall trigger economic growth, rural development, create large-scale local and regional employment opportunities and promote inclusive growth. The initiative of promoting sustainable Sonadhiya Ecotourism Park by the Government of Bangladesh is timely and in perfect congruence with Vision 2041, Delta Plan and UN SDGs. With the efforts of the Government of Bangladesh fast culminating into success, the Sonadhiya Ecotourism Park would play a stellar role in achieving the objective of Bangladesh becoming one of the most preferred tourist destinations in the world.